Hello, I'm Sophie Morris, your nutrition coach, and today I'm making not one, not two, but three different types of hummus. Stay right there and I'll show you in a second. Okay, so the rule for flavouring hummus is there are no rules. Once you've mastered the basic recipe, you can do whatever you fancy. So today I'm making a basic hummus, I'm doing roasted red pepper and chilli hummus, and a black olive hummus. And I'm going to use the Newgrange Gold rapeseed oil to help me flavour the hummus. Okay, these are my new favourite oils. They're so high quality and they're made here in Ireland in Slane, and they're cold pressed, which means all the nutritional benefits are preserved. Okay, I'll explain more about that in a second, but for now, let's get into the basic recipe. Add 3 tins of rinsed chickpeas to a food processor. Add 2 cloves of roughly chopped garlic, 3 teaspoons of tahini, the juice of half a lemon, a good pinch of sea salt, and about 80 ml of the reserved liquid from the tinned chickpeas, and just blitz it all up. Okay, so you can see I've made the base of the hummus here, and you can see it's not ready yet, and that's because I haven't added the oil. But because I'm doing 3 different flavours of hummus, I wanted to bring it this far, and then I'm going to portion it out into 3 portions before I add the different flavoured oils. Okay, so I'm just going to scoop out roughly a third into 2 bowls and keep the other third in the food processor. Okay. Now, I did promise to talk about the nutritional benefits of rapeseed oil. So, one of the main benefits is it contains 10 times the amount of the essential fatty acid omega-3 compared to in olive oil. Now, we need to eat it in our diet because it's not produced by the body, and it's really important to regulate our immune system. The other benefit is it contains half the amount of saturated fat compared to olive oil. So it's a really good oil to use to help lower and balance our cholesterol levels. Okay, so I've nearly scooped out, I think, evenly a third of each, and then we can get on to making our basic hummus. So for the basic hummus, add 4 to 5 tablespoons of just plain rapeseed oil. Now remember, in order to get the nutritional benefits I just talked about, you need to buy a good quality rapeseed oil, like the Newgrange Gold, which is cold pressed. Now you may want to taste and tweak the flavours, and when you're happy, spoon it into a bowl, and then get ready for the next batch. Okay, so add the second portion of the basic hummus back to the food processor and add 1 roasted red pepper. Then blitz it up. And for this one, I'm using 4 to 5 tablespoons of the chili and garlic Newgrange Gold. The best thing about these oils is they're not only really healthy, but they also taste incredible. This is my favourite flavour and goes so well with this hummus. There it is, it looks gorgeous. So spoon it into a bowl and on to the last one. So add the last portion of the base hummus back to the food processor and add a handful of pitted Kalamata olives. And for this hummus, I'm using the smoky Newgrange Gold, which is a gorgeous flavour as well and goes so well with the olives. And once it's blitzed nicely, just spoon it into a bowl and that's it. So there we have the third one. Look how gorgeous it looks. And the other 2 I have right here was the fab roasted red pepper and chili and the plain hummus, and look at them all together, such gorgeous colours. And if you're having people over at the weekend, this is such a great thing to make them. They look impressive and I can promise you they taste even better. Okay, so if you like the look of this, you can find the recipe by clicking on the link below this video, and I will see you next time.